Ah, hello there, mates. I'm Ed G, and I'm glad you can join me out here in the HPN Opportunity Outback. My faithful PDM Billy and I are hunting for the crafty cat pen and the nimble NBO. Believe it or not, they are not that elusive. Just have to know when and where to find them in their natural habitat. That's where Billy here comes in handy. You see, Billy is a territorial hunting expert, helping you find and harvest HPN sales opportunities, big or small. They all add up, don't they, Billy? Billy? Not to get off the subject, but this reminds me of a time when I was a wee lad. My pops took me on a hunting trip to Las Vegas. He said we were hunting for a cunning cougar. I never actually saw him catch a cougar, but I do remember him meeting a nice older lady who he seemed pretty fond of. Pretty crazy, huh? What have you got there, Billy? Oh, would you look at that? A gorgeous cat pen, and there, a herd of young nubile NBOs. Must be 35 points between them. Ripe for the taking, all of them. Hold it there, mate. I've got this one. I'm ready to pull the trigger. Crikey, a profit poacher.
Don't shoot me, bro!
Thanks again, Billy. As my faithful PBM, you always get me lined up in the right direction. You give me the best chance to succeed. Together, we rock. Cheers, mate.